Welcome to the How to Change or Disable Security Methods tutorial. Today, you will learn how to change or disable security methods on your website. To change or disable security methods, start by logging into your website's backend. Navigate to the Security menu tab on the left side of the screen. Hover over it and click Settings. From here, you will see the login security options. Enable or disable the login security options you'd like to have on your website. To change the user group settings, click on the User Groups tab and adjust the settings accordingly. You've now learned how to change or disable security methods on your website.